ngelanga ngibona ishow yakhe athi yena la wafika khona akhumbula Smaragdzi bukusemotweni a drive, and then that one song played, you understand, yamthinza umphefumulo wakhe. So I can say Smaragdzi kahle kahle nakuthi akusingukuthi kumele uzumamukele esondweni, understand, ukumthola akusingukuthi vele kumele uze uyomthola esondweni, understand, uyakuthinza simazibedlela ukuthinza uhleli lenye ilanga e-sitting room uhleli akuthinza uve kahle ishaza ukuthi thina manje uma ngisho siba ignorant asilifuni iqiniso yabo siya enjoy ngoba laba enjoy yabo sona enjoy umuntu sona noma ubona ukuthi kuseyabona ngibekise like in car accident, there is someone who's going to come up from a car accident atsaphuma lapha le car uthola umuntu obekabuye etshwaleni yabona. There are accidents ngakho ngibekise njena okay singabekisi ma accident akendekile wona mhlawumbe tovusa but kunale accident le very very bad yendeki accident uzobona mhlawumbe ubuye etshwaleni ubone kahle siphela lana ngivikelwe ngesimanga loyo muntu loyo usakabuye esibhedlela nalomunye into otsaphuma esibhedlela ayothenga tshwala athi ngihlisa stress nalomunye into otsaphuma esibhedlela sana no more so
the reason I brought you here is because of another woman called Lindobuhle, if I'm not mistaken. I'm starting to be corrected by you because he called me, but now I'm starting to be corrected. She said to me, there's someone, because you're busy my podcast, but there's someone I'm being Facebook on, and we try with Simcholas come to learn. He once said, amadlozi awekho antu wakhe if I'm not mistaken, she said something like that if I'm not mistaken. That's why ngabe yakhona mhlawumbe ukukhuluma kahle antu wakhe, she's a former dlozi or whatsoever, bekana konke into emadlozi wayothwasa and everything usho antu wakho makasho yena
no it's not
okay waya wenda yonke le journey ibantu abadzala spirituality, African spirituality, imandumo and everything makusuka wagcina alahla lento le again. Is that true? Oh isibekele kahle mina mhlawumbe ngibeke kahle
asisibeke kahle
because
okay when the time we started the conversation le besinayo ngalento ne angisakhumbula ukuthi ifike njani
izifike lapha
izifike tu kwamadlozi
but
lo wakhulunywa kwathi to be honest ngamtshela mina ngathi abona sisi, in whatever situation that you are facing, you must know who to cry to. Nangabe kufika isikhathi sokukhala ngubani okumele ukhale kuye, you understand, of which munye kuphela umuntu ongakhala kuye, it's the one who created you. Give himself time to create it, you understand. Wakhona ukuthi ende njani abide gather the trinity of heaven to create a man. That's why a man, it's something very, very special to God.
Yes.
Because he had to call the trinity of heaven to assemble, to build a man.
Okay.
Nakathatha la, when the involo ibalulekile, involo enkulu, I can say, involo enkulu, understand? Waphefumula umoya wakhe kuwe umuntu. I understand. That's why today we are living, and we are like favorite to God. That's why there's a word that says Smaragdzi walithanda live waze wanikela nabendodana yakhe. You understand? Mawubuka sengilapho ngithi mina kuye khona, if you're facing a situation, do not be fooled by the world. Do not be fooled by the world. Udithole so consulta etindzaweni letero. No matter what. Understand? And then safika la sesikhuluma khona about the way Satan ate reveala ngayo ebantwini. The devil is a liar. Okay. Understand? The devil actually is a liar. Yeah. Understand?